Me too. We got these from Aunt Melissa. And I got Tom Tucker. Darcy, I call him. Very cool. And I got an army duck and a mail duck.
How did you get the army duck?
You gave me another magazine, right?
Yeah, if you get a magazine subscription for the magazine sale, you get a duck.
Yeah.
And what duck did you get? Show him close.
An army duck. And I also got a mailman duck. That was my first one. I know you love Tom Tucker. What's her name?
Darth Tyrannus.
Darth Tyrannus.
What about the other pictures that you drew?
And I draw this. I draw that 2D2.
Nice.
I got a lot to do with you, Dad. And I draw this. What's his name again?
I don't know.
I just draw.
Okay, I'm going to stop the movie now, okay?